Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Ashley and I am a stay-at-home mom. I love filming content around cleaning, homemaking, baking, cooking. So if you're looking for some inspiration, then please consider hitting that subscribe button and leaving a comment down below. In today's video, we are doing a power hour clean with me. On this specific day, we actually had a play date, so the house was in pretty good shape. I didn't film this, but I did take down my fall decor because I feel like I just needed a little bit of a break before really getting into the Christmas decor. And I know you guys may see that Christmas tree peeking in today's video, and I will tell you why that is up right now. But I just wanted to take a little bit of a break. I loved having my fall and Halloween decor, but it was starting to get a little bit too cluttered. So in today's video, I am just doing some good wipe downs and cleaning the stove. I also cleaned the microwave. I did not show that, but I'm just trying to clean and maintain some areas before we get ready to put up our Christmas decor. So I'm just really thoroughly enjoying just kind of taking a little bit of a breather. I don't know about you guys, but this year, and I'm like the queen of Christmas. I love Christmas more than anything, but I'm just not feeling it yet. Like, I'm really enjoying this peaceful time in between, Christmas as we wait for Thanksgiving. I love to decorate and I love enjoying the holiday season. I've been enjoying watching some people's videos and listening to some Christmas here and there on like a cold New England day, like a cold drive. So I'm not saying that I'm totally anti-Christmas right now, but I'm definitely kind of enjoying the process. I really want to take fall in, even as the leaves were changing. It was just so gorgeous in October, and then I feel like in a day all of the leaves fell. So I just want to soak in this time and try not to rush anything, and then that way once Christmas time comes I can really enjoy that as well. So I don't know, let me know down below, how are you feeling about the holidays? I'm just shocked that for me it's almost too soon. But getting back to this Christmas tree actually, so my mom was kind enough, she has a skinny tree like this and my sister does as well, and we all actually live very close to each other too, and all of our houses are made by the same builder. So I was just really excited. She told me that she would keep an eye out at Michael's for a good sale. I don't know if it's still on sale right now, but she got it for $50 and it's normally like $150. So that is a steal, you guys. I know that sometimes you do have to get things early. So that was kind of like a little gift from my mom to me, and I love it. We have it in the corner. I just wanted to see what it was gonna look like. We also get a real Christmas tree, so we do that the day after Thanksgiving, and I'll show you guys where that's gonna go, of course. And I'm not sure how I wanna decorate this one yet, but I will be filming a clean and decorate with me for Christmas. But like I said, I'm just kind of going with what feels right this year and when I feel I'm ready to do it. So I'm not sure if I will bring out the bins in a couple weeks before Thanksgiving and show you guys that, and then maybe do like another clean, like Christmas clean with me, so you guys can see us decorating our actual tree. So yeah, lots of Christmas chatter, but I feel like I'm just prepping for the holiday season, just getting things tidy. We still have our, like you can see, our fall blankets and pillows because honestly we use them a lot, and I don't have any new ones for Christmas time. I also wanted to talk to you guys and get your thoughts on Christmas decor because I feel I'm actually really excited. It's kind of fun to see what you have. So I'm excited to go through the bins. I'm really not going to get anything new this year just because budget wise, and like it's not really a necessity, and I think we have so many beautiful decorations already. There's nothing wrong with getting new decorations. I'm trying to think, I did pick up one piece of garland. So I feel like a one-off thing here and there each year is definitely, I just feel like it makes more sense. I feel like there's no need for me to go out and buy a ton of new Christmas decorations because Christmas is about making memories with our family, and I feel like we can definitely do that with all of the things that we have, thankfully. So for this year, we're just gonna use the things that we have, and I'm really excited. I feel like I always get surprised when I open the Christmas bins, but I feel like if there's one or two things that you want to add to your collection, for me, it's not practical, to change everything up. And I have a few like thrifted and vintage Christmas pieces that I'm really excited to use again. I just feel like they're timeless. They're that like old Christmas, like I don't know. I just feel like I'm just so here for like the old Christmas vibes, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like the traditional, that's what I'm trying to say, not old Christmas. Sometimes when I film my voiceovers, I feel like I can ramble a little bit, and I'm not sure if my point comes across the way that I hope or intend for it to with the rambling. But I guess what I was trying to say is I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I feel like I get flooded with a lot of like viral, like this is what's in store this year. And I do like, I love to watch that kind of stuff and see it, but I don't know if I need to bring all of it home with me. So if you also feel that way, just know like you're not alone. But if there is one piece here or there that you're like, oh, I really want to add this to my collection, like I totally get that. I feel like we're kind of in similar boats if that's how you feel. I love the Christmas vibes, but I think sometimes it just kind of goes back to that consumerism, lifestyle. So for dinner on this night, we actually made Marry Me chicken orzo. It's the second time that I've made this recipe, and honestly, you guys, it is delicious, it's healthy, and my favorite part about this meal is that you really only need one pan, and it takes probably 25-30 minutes to make. So it's a quick meal. It's delicious. It's a healthy meal. It's something that everyone in the family enjoys. So I'm going to link this recipe down below for you. I don't know about you, but I love finding, I think it's like one thing to find inspiration, but another thing to really like enjoy the meal and enjoy the taste of it, because I've definitely found some recipes online where I know that I'm either going to add it in our rotation for, weeks to come, or maybe I'm like, okay, I definitely don't think I would try that one again. That's my favorite part about cooking and baking, honestly, is the trial and error and then discovering new recipes. So this is a new one for our family. And if you guys are interested, like I said, I will leave the Pinterest, why am I losing my train of thought here? I really can't think about it, the blog post or the directions, recipe down below for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I am looking forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.